Alright guys, today is day one of the van conversion project. And so this video is going to be just the vinyl flooring. I'm going to try to make this short and to the point. And so for today, all we're doing is the vinyl flooring. So I have the factory carpet already installed there. And so on top of that, we're just going to add some Eucaboard, plywood, and the sheet vinyl on top of that. Now I'm watching this guy because I'm doing this on my family's ranch. And this guy's the biggest dick, so he scares me a little bit, alright? So I'm going to show you guys how that looks, alright? So guys, I went with the factory flooring carpet that came with it to act as insulation. I'm not sure if that's the best way to do it, but it seemed like the most yeah, he almost got the fucking shit out of me right there. As I was saying, this came with the factory carpet, so it made it a lot easier for me. So I just basically took this out and traced it on the Eucaboard and the plywood, as well as the sheet vinyl. Alright, so if it comes with the carpet, I recommend you try that out. I know some people just take this whole thing out, do the exact measurements, and they add insulation separately. But that seemed like a complicated process for me, so I didn't want to do that. So, let me show you what that looks like. Alright, so the insulation, the Eucaboard, and the plywood are all in place. They fit good enough all the way around. The last step is to wait for the vinyl flooring to come in and to all stick it to the ground. The one thing, this is coming off the ground a little bit, which I'm hoping will just be suctioned to the floor, and if not, we'll just have to deal with it. I'm on the final step of the vinyl floor process. All it's left to do is just get the spray adhesive, put it under the vinyl, weight it down, and then find a way to screw in the side coping right here, and then we're done. summarize what I just did, it was pretty straightforward, you know, because it came with the carpet. I just took the carpet out, I traced it onto the Eucaboard, I cut that out, I traced that onto the plywood, I cut that out, and then I traced that onto the sheet vinyl, and I cut that out, and it was just a matter of touching it up here and there to make sure it was accurate, and then finally just gluing it all down. So because of the factory carpet it came with, it made the process super easy and straightforward. So if you looking to get a van, I highly recommend looking for one that comes with some kind of flooring already installed so you can just trace that out. Saves me a lot of time.